What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a cabinet door when it doesn't close properly. You can see this one here is hitting the door next to it. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So these are the doors that we're having issues with, and as you guys can see, this left door here is overlapping on top of the right door. So as we close it, it doesn't close properly. Even if we close the left one first and then the right one, you can see there it still doesn't overlap. So the easiest way to work out which door is actually giving you issues and which one you need to repair on is to basically look at the side. So if we have a look at the side here, we can see we've got a nice small consistent gap all the way along the side here. So this one here is okay. As we come across to this one here, we can see we've got a really large gap there. A little bit smaller down the bottom, but still larger than we'd like it. So we know that our issue is coming from the left side here. So we need to open up this left door and we're going to be working on our bottom hinge and also the top one here. So first thing we're going to do is just give the door a little shake and check and see if our hinges are actually secured properly. Our bottom one right here is nice and tight. Our screws are all in there nice and tight. The top one, however, you can see it's got a bit of play in it. So what we're going to do is just simply tighten up these screws here. We've got one on the bottom, one on the top. Once that's nice and tight, close the door. It's still rubbing on the side here. So now that we've got that one there nice and secure, we're going to start working on our adjustments. So on the hinge itself, we've got two adjustment screws here. We've got one at the back and one at the front. The one at the back here allows the door to move in and out. So if we close this door here quickly, that'll allow the door to sit out or sit further in. And you want to make sure that it's nice and flush with the door here, as we've got this one here at the top actually protruding a little bit. So if we have a look there, you can see how the door sticks out a little bit. So what we're going to do is adjust that one there first. So we can loosen off this back screw here and the door will now slide in and out. So we want to get it in a nice position where everything's going to be nice and flush. Tighten that one there back up. The second adjustment that we've got is to do with this one right here. Now this one here is probably the most important adjustment. This allows your door to move left and right. So once again, if I close the door, just to kind of give you guys a bit of an idea, the door is going to move further to the right or closer to the left at the side of the carcass here. So what we're going to do in this case here, we know the top of the door is overlapping and we've got a really large gap here up on the top left hand side. Down the bottom it gets a little bit smaller, but once again we can shift this one here over just a little bit. So we'll open up the door and we're going to work on that adjustment screw. So this one here, if you turn it one way, so to the right, is going to allow the door to shift all the way over. To the left, it starts getting that door to suck in back to the back of the carcass here, and we can line that one up nicely. So we've given that one there about 2 to 3 turns. This one here, about half to 1 turn, should do it. The one down the bottom. We're going to close the door now, and you can see there we've got a perfect gap in the center, perfect gap down the side. And that there is how easy it is to repair your cabinet doors or your hinges on your cabinets. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. You've learned something new. I've saved you guys some money. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.